Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is the first time we're going to be doing an unboxing. Now you're wondering, Adrian, this is a cooking channel, this is a mukbang channel, why the hell are you doing an unboxing? And I'm asking myself the same question. Adrian, why are you doing an unboxing? But you know what? We got to do it. Now this package is from the one and only Sylis Mukbang. Sylis Mukbang. Ahora! So this is from Sylis Mukbang. I'm going to insert a clip in the video so you can see a little bit about Sylis Mukbang.
Ahora, Silly in the building. Yeah, man, sir. I have never took the time to introduce myself, so it's your Sylis girl from Amsterdam. And of course, on my channel, we'll be doing some great mukbangs, some great topics, and some reviews of some restaurants here in Amsterdam. So, if you want to know all about me and some things I'm going on and the topics I'm talking about, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And like I always say, if you know me, you know me. And if you don't know me, get to know me. And hey, if you don't want to get to know me, you don't own me to know me. So hello, no pressure. Hey, so people, don't forget to subscribe.
This package came straight from Sylis, all the way from Amsterdam. Now, I'm all the way in West Virginia and I got a package all the way from Amsterdam. Now, that's love, right? So, Sylis Mukbang is a pretty new YouTuber. She does mukbangs. She talk about topics. She's fun. She loves music, all those jazz. Now, she recently hit 100 subscribers. And for 100 subscribers, she decided to do a giveaway of 3 things. Only thing you had to do was just watch the video, comment win, and then she would raffle the names in a box. Well, luckily, I won. Now, this is my first time ever winning anything. And you're like, Adrian, you're 27. How have you not won anything before? Well, I don't know. I guess the odds are against me. But guess what? I'm so happy today to be doing this unboxing that Sylis Mukbang sent for me. I got it this morning. And I was like, you know what? I'm not even going to open this package. I know what's in there, but I also got a surprise because based on the description, there's an additional item in the box. Now, we're going to do a live unboxing, and I just want to say thank you so much, Sylis, for sending this package to me all the way from Amsterdam, because when I look at this and I see it costs 25 euros to send, I'm like, now you spend a good change on this. So she spent a lot on shipping. She sent me some good prizes. Once she hit 200 subscribers, she's gonna be doing this all over again. So if you guys don't have Sylis Mukbang, go ahead and grab her up, because you're gonna have fun, you're gonna be entertained, and you're also gonna have a chance of winning in her 200 subscribers giveaway. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go ahead. You can go ahead, pause this video, go over there, check out Sylis Mukbang, hit her subscribe button, turn on notification bell, because I know she posts on Tuesdays and Saturdays, but she's in Amsterdam, so the time difference is different, so you want to make sure you have your notification bell on. But I'm talking too much, and if you don't have me, go ahead and subscribe, because I'm trying to hit that 1,000, not 100, but 1,000 subscribers. So guys, I've been talking way too much. Let's just get this unboxing done. Well, let's take a thumbnail. Well, we don't want no knife in our thumbnail, because then they're gonna think, what is he promoting over here? So, and if you guys like my jacket, this is from LH Clothing. It's a UK brand that I'm affiliated with. So if you want to get some dope clothing, go hit up LH_clothing brand on Instagram, and you can use my code Adrian20 for 20% off all their merchandise. All right, so let's take a thumbnail. All right, let's get this unboxing done. This is my first time doing an unboxing, so it might take me a little time, and they package this very well, so And I ain't trying to cut myself, you know. But this is packaged very well, so nobody could open up this box. And I just want to say a special shout out to you, Sylis Mukbang, for this package. As I said, I've never won anything before. Alright. So she sent me a note. We're gonna read the note. And this is what is in the box. We got an Adidas shirt and a coffee cup. Now this is so beautiful. Look at that. It says Holland on the inside. Now you tell me, this is love right here. Sylis, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope this shirt can fit me because as you can see, I'm a big boy. I'm a big boy. Okay, yeah, it will fit me. And then I got my Adidas shirt. So let me take this off the counter and we're gonna do another thumbnail. So I'm gonna be drinking tea in fine style. Now the Holland is right on the inside. Now Sylis, thank you so much. Let me show you my shirt. You know I ain't got the summer body, so I'm not even gonna take off my shirt and try on this because it wouldn't be a cute look. But yes, I got my shirt. I got my shirt. Hey, I got my shirt. Hey, I got my shirt. Ooh. So maybe even if I'm drinking water, soda, anything, you might see me drinking out of this cup. Now this is just awesome. It's beautiful. Let me just keep it on show. All right, let's read what the note says. She sent me a card. It says super. So if you don't know it, there's a thumbs up too. So please thumbs up this video. All right. Let's see what the card says. The card said, "Dear Adrian, congratulations on your prize. I hope you enjoy it. Greetings from Sylis Mukbang." Now, Sylis, love you, girl. Now, and not because you sent me these prizes, because you know I support you a long time ago. So guys, I want to say if you like this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have been here before and you still haven't subscribed, let me know why you still haven't subscribed. I said go ahead, share with your friends, share with your family. Don't be selfish because they want to be a part of the excitement and this personality. So guys, thank you all so much for watching. Love you all and peace.